Yo, what's up everybody? That's it for today, but last but not least, before we eat lunch, we're gonna open these gifts that Tegamo sent us, and David.
Oh yeah.
Thank you, David.
They got me one too.
The best media guy. Alright, let's open this up and see what we got. Oh!
Okay.
Yo, big shout out to Brandon. Awesome dude. Thank you, Brandon. Appreciate it. Oh! Damn!
Whoa.
Yo, it's got American flag. See that?
That's tough.
Hell yeah. Oh, more stickers. Let's go. What's up, Brandon? Brandon Do.
That's a cool card.
Yeah. Yo. Look at that. That's pretty dope.
Yeah.
Yo, this is a dope ass card, Brandon.
Yeah.
Josh Davy Duke. I'm sorry if I'm butchering, man. He's the parts director at Forest HD. If you need parts for your heavy equipment, this is the man to talk to. He actually helped me out one time finding a solenoid valve for an excavator that I was working on. First time I ever worked on one. And he found the part in like 30 minutes. So a big shout out to Josh. Awesome parts guy. As you can tell, I love these stickers. I got them everywhere. Let's try on some of these hats. What do you think, 1 to 10?
Dude, that's a 10.
You want me to do a little twirl? We got camo, dark camo. Yo, this is tough. That's super tough.
Yeah.
So this one's the gray.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is my new favorite right here. Yeah?
Yeah, that one's tough, bro.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You think it matches with the, I think it matches with my pants.
Yeah.
Yo, thanks again, guys. If you want to support the channel, go buy their merch, go buy their hats, go support them, and that supports us. We're firm believers in their motto and their mission to help the next generation and grow the heavy equipment industry. And you know, forklift is obviously heavy equipment as well. So you know, we just work together in growing that, and hopefully this inspires more people, more younger people to get into the industry.